did you get your hands on this horse? You want me to go through the whole thing with you?
Yeah, I'll need a little bit of tape. I think I remember.
So what I like to do
CloverTac.
is maintain the upper.
Here we are at the beautiful CMP Talladega Marksmanship Park Shooting Sports Showcase 2022. Got the world premiere, at least we're going to call it that, of the Trailblazer Pivot. Pretty cool little carbine, so let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris from CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. Here it is, the Trailblazer Firearms Pivot. I'm going to see if I can manipulate this thing without fumbling too bad. Looks like did a pretty good job there. So put a few through it and see what she does. Here we go. There it is, Trailblazer Firearms Pivot. Doesn't get much better than that. If you want to check out more stuff from the Shooting Sports Showcase here, probably got you some stuff locked and loaded right here. As for this one, we're done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to change fire free.